So we're gonna wake up my dog with a knife. Sorry for the late upload, I was taking a break. I was too exhausted from all the filming and the editing. Yeah, but in the meantime, while I was taking a break, I also filmed another video. But that's not coming out yet because it actually coincides with the video timeline of other videos. So I'll be releasing another video in the future. So get ready for a double release. So one of the days in the future, I'll release 2 videos at once. So watch out for that. This video is gonna be about my dogs because I don't really know what else to film. Okay, so the thing with Coco is whenever you put her next to another dog, she wants to fight them. Like, she will get... I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so usually when she goes, oh, it's starting. Can you hear that? Angry boy. The fight's about to go down. Closer. Oh fuck. Okay. She's quite cute when she's docile though. So cute. There was a video the other day I saw on Instagram that I wanted to recreate, and so here it is. I like Coco because she lets me do this. Look at this shit, yeah. Make sure we don't hurt her. Wait, I have to make sure to get the right angle so I don't hurt her. Yeah. Ta-da! But he doesn't really let me do this, so he's gonna bite me, I swear to God. Ah, yes, he's gonna bite me. Yep, okay, never mind. So we actually custom made these figurines of our dogs. This one is of Coco. As you can see, the resemblance is uncanny. Coco! Here's the one for Pepper. Sort of looks the same, doesn't it? Sort of. Sadly, we didn't get one for Milo. We're gonna film some tricks with Pepper.
Okay. Down.
Yeah!
Sit. Pepper, sit. Come on, sit.
Yay!
Down, quick. Down. Sit down. Yeah.
Yay!
No, don't eat until I say so. No.
The trick of the century.
No. Okay.
Woo! Our main star. What's he doing? She's spinning around in circles. What the hell?
What the hell?
Here's Milo running around like a horsey. So Milo always licks my ears whenever I get down the floor. I'll show you. Milo! It's actually quite relaxing. It's like a spa when he cleans your ears. Like what? Let him go.
Shake hand. Shake hand. Shake hand. Shake hand.
Good boy. So we're gonna wake up my dog with a knife. So that's it for today's video. I am tired as hell. I'm gonna take a break. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. And peace!